Hello, so we are back. Tuesday morning. Yeah. And what do we have here? We have iPhone 7 water damage and screen. Yeah. So this is the iPhone 7. And this one is a water damage phone. Yeah. I'm using the pad, which was sent by one of the subscribers of this channel, which I use this occasion to say thank you. So let's try this one. Yeah. Plug on charge, and it's not charging. But you remember we spoke with one of iPhone 6, I think, about this jumping current surge. Yeah. So the current is jumping. Jumping current for me sounds like a power supply which try to start, and actually it's a short there somewhere. I didn't open the phone, so I don't know what kind of water damage level we have inside, because obviously if it's very damaged, it's nearly impossible to be fixed. And also probably we are the only one probably we charge just a little bit for the water damage. So we are not charging a lot of money for water damage jobs. And if a water damage job can be done like, let's say, a half an hour, max 1 hour, yeah, it's fine. But otherwise it's not worth spending the time. Or we are spending the time, but it's no way to get that phone back. Maybe for data recovery. Yeah. So I'll try to open the phone now. Yeah, let's put the screws here, because now we have not a nice pad. Yeah. Okay, the screen is open. Looks like no one opened this one before. That's how it looks. Yeah, no fingerprints, nothing. It looks like a brand new. I can't see water damage. Yeah, we have the sticker is red here on the screen. The sticker is red. But otherwise this phone is looking very, very good. So I'm saying we have high chance to fix this iPhone. Let's see what can be wrong here. On a water damaged phone which is not very, very damaged. But I don't understand, yeah. The iPhone 7 is supposed to be water resistant, so how this phone can be water damaged? The connectors are fine. That's very important. Water damage sticker is where is the SIM card, so I suppose the water come inside on the through this space on the SIM card. But the phone is looking very fine. I can't see any water damage here. Let's try one more time to see if it's charging. No, same story. You see the current, how it's jumping? That's not okay. That's not okay at all. Let's check the battery. So we have the multimeter there. And the battery has 0 volts. Yeah, nothing on the battery. Let's check the board for short. .6 around 1 amp. Minus anywhere. Probably this is ground, this is plus, and we have a short, yeah? So here is 2.2 volts, here is 0. Okay, so this is ground. And this is plus. On the plus, we have a short, it's taking 1.6 amp. You can see? So this board is shorted. That's the explanation, yeah? When I try to explain you why the current is jumping. Yeah, I try to insist on the diagnosing the things, because it's very important to diagnose something very quickly and very precisely. You know, you have a customer comes with the phone, and you have customers even with let's say broken screen. Oh, I want to change the screen. No, we have to check the phone first. Yeah, so you have to check, you have to plug the charger, see if it's charging, see if it's responding, like, yeah. And you'll be surprised how many cases the people try to replace the screen because it's no lie, no picture, but actually it's no charging. You have a dead battery, you have a shorted board, you have a loop restarting phone, and I mean about iPhones, yeah. And the people are funny, and trust me, yeah. When I say funny, they say no. Before the screen was cracked, the phone was fine. You understand? So you it's very important, like, to from the first moment to decide if you say no, I will not replace this screen because this has more issue, or if you take the phone, it's very possible, you know, to have these problems, like, no, my phone was fine before you touch it. Yeah, we have customer with this kind of, even Diana this morning, she took a phone and she's testing each phone, but on this morning she didn't test the iPhone. It was the iPhone 5 screen. The battery was so dead, you know. I said, you know, Diana, give me the phone and I'll try with the power supply to bring that battery to life. But it's no way, it was taking no power at all. Obviously she regret the things, but lucky the customer paid for the battery, so the story ended okay. But it's very important to diagnose the things from the first second, yeah. The second thing is dodgy. You took the job, and after that you call the customer and you know what, it's more, it's not only the screen. That looks dodgy. It's not good for the company image. What do you mean? You should be professional, you should know. Okay, let's open this iPhone and you know, this is a long story, and we learn all this lesson over the time. So we learn everything over the time. Same with the charging the iPhone. So on some point we are helping the people. You say, oh, you can please leave me I can please leave the phone for charging because I need to give a call, like urgent call or something. Yeah, why not? Why not? But we start having problems. We start having problems like, no, well, my phone was fine. Why the phone is not charged? What you done on my phone? You know? Or my phone wasn't scratched. Why scratch now? Things like that. And now we have a big paper on the wall say we are not charging the phones. So 99% of the people are fair. Okay, yeah, but are dodgy people there. And if you charge nothing for charging the phones, but at some point you have to pay for iPhone. You'll stop doing this. Yeah, I should make a like a series with life on a shop, on a real shop. Probably will be a comedy. Okay. Even this sticker, you know, the water mark sticker, yeah, this is white. But again was red here around the screen, on the screen side, yeah. Yeah, I forgot last screen. Okay, I can see some water damage here. Uh, Even on the other side, it's looking untouched, like nothing, like perfect. Here I can see water damage, here and here. But let's have a look under the microscope, yeah? Okay. I can't see nothing wrong here. It's perfectly clean. Nothing wrong here. Nothing wrong here. Here you have a problem. So yeah, here looks like it's a water damage. Water damage or liquid damage, I don't know. On the other side, on the connectors and things, no, here it's no, it's perfect, no issue. Again here, yeah. So I can see here some liquid damage. I think this is a happy case, yeah, where actually the board looks fine, so we have just a little bit of liquid damage. And one of these caps probably is shorted. I don't know which, but we'll find out. Yeah? Okay. Let's see on the other side. The backlight things, yeah. Okay, let's clean first, yeah. I will use petrol. Zippo petrol. Let's clean it. You'll be surprised how many water damage jobs was fixed just by cleaning. I want to say, you know what, was fixed by my skill, but no, it was fixed by cleaning. Not a case like this, but especially a case where the water damage is on small chips or resistor or things like that. Everything looks fine now. Let's try and check again for short, yeah? I'll dry the board. Let's check for short again. Power supply, we have 4.6 volts there. The thing is, when you don't know which is ground and plus, yeah, I always forget. I will use ground from here, and nothing can go wrong on this way, yeah. If I'll put here 2.1 amp, 2.1 volts, here is 0 volts. So this is ground, yeah. This is ground, this is plus, and we still have short. It's taking 1.6 amp. Okay. So on this case, I will use petrol, Zippo. Maybe we can see something. We can see where is the short. And I will pay attention for this capacitor. Where was the water damage, obviously, yeah. Minus, plus. And I can't see. I can't see nothing on this side. What about here? Let's use some petrol. I'll try to apply voltage and keep it under the microscope. And the plus is here, yeah. Something like that, yeah. Something like that. It is on focus. So what's wrong here? Oh, okay. Let's use more petrol. Okay. I can see, 1 second. I don't know how to do it. Okay, I can see smoke. You can see smoke when I'm touching. Let me raise the microscope. Use more petrol. One more time. Smoke. You can see it. So that cap is gone. Yeah, we can see it smoking. So that capacitor is shorted. Obviously the capacitors are not meant to smoke. This one. This is gone. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now it's gone 100%. Yeah. I can try and desolder the cap. But I'll have to remove everything from here. Which I don't want it. I want to be just a quick job. I don't even want to replace the cap. Yeah. Okay, the cap is removed. Let's check for short. Plus. So it's not short anymore, yeah? Let's test the board quickly to see if it's working. The thing is my ZXW is expired, so I can't show you exactly what that cap is doing there. Most likely it's from the backlight. Let's check if it's charging, yeah? And we have 300 milliamps. That means the battery is very low. Let's see if it's jumping up to 1 amp. Yeah, 1.4 amps, you can see. So the current just jumped to 1.4 amps. That means it's charging perfectly fine. Let's see that this screen is still good. Let's check with this screen. And we have charging sign on the screen, but probably you can't see it. No, you can't see it. But don't worry. Yeah? Let's wait a little bit. So I'm not trying to do this video like, look what I'm doing. No. This is a video about look what you can do. Yeah? So you don't need always to think, if it's a water damage, probably there it's a very complicated job. Like this one. This was nothing complicated. Actually, on this job, probably I can't even charge how much I tell the customer. Yeah. Just because it was an easy job. I will not replace that cap. Because to replace that cap, that's proper long. So you have to take all the black thing, the black silicone, which is long and dangerous. Also, the job just replacing that cap is more long compared with what I did. Yeah, that cap is not there for nothing. It's doing something. Yeah, which I explained you on the beginner lesson about the capacitors. But trust me, the phone will be fine without that cap. On the other words, you can replace any cap which is it's on a power supply, and the phone will still be fine. I will connect the other ribbon cable, because if not the phone it will take long to start. Yeah, you know the story. Of course, it's nothing to learn here. I done nothing, but you have an idea about how a complicated job can be very simple. It's charging fine, but with 1.5 amps, the phone should be on soon. You can try and follow your path, yeah, and try and be professional. It's okay. You can be, yeah. It's okay. It's nothing wrong with that. But this is a shop, and around this shop are many shops. Okay, and if I try to raise the price, yeah, you have the risk the customers say no, and they will go on the next shop, which they will do what I did, and they will charge less. Yeah, it's all working fine. 1 second. I can't believe I spoke with the microphone off. Okay, so hopefully you didn't get this wrong, yeah? You know what I mean. I wish I can afford to be more professional, but you know, this is the life. This is a real shop, and we have real concurrence, you know, like the other shops here. Anyway, the customer will get 3 months warranty. The job is okay. Yeah, nothing wrong with that cap missing. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you later. Yeah, bye.